What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media, back with another video. Today we're going to meet one of my clients, and we are not in my daily. We're actually in this 2026 Lexus RX 350, my loaner car. So if you guys didn't know, I do insurance for work, and I'm going to meet up with one of my commercial clients. He go by KAE Autowerks, and what he does is he works on cars. His business does a lot of European cars, a lot of exotics. So I believe right now he's working on a Lamborghini. So we're gonna pay him a visit, put the face to the name to one of my clients who's a car guy as well. So I'm gonna take you guys along and check it out. It's gonna be almost an hour drive, and we're gonna go visit our client. So he does have a location, but also he does mobile jobs. So right now he's at a mobile job. So yeah, let's go check it out. All right, so I just made it here after an hour drive, and I have to say this is a super cool man cave. But over here we have Anthony. He is the owner mechanic of KAE Autowerks. So right now he's working on a Lamborghini Aventador LP 700. And so you're telling us like some maintenance, basic stuff?
Yeah, so these are common for the pulleys to basically grenade, explode, leave you stranded because they're made out of plastic. So Lamborghini usually tell you to change them out every 2 years as a maintenance interval, not even just like recommend, like every 2 years you're supposed to replace them. But AGX out in California made upgraded pulley system, so you have brand new pulleys that are no longer plastic on the crank as well. The nice durable, so you don't have to worry about replacing them every 2 years, getting stranded.
Yeah.
And then obviously we're also going to be doing AFD's F1 exhaust.
Nice exhaust. This is header back.
Yes. Catless.
Catless. This thing is gonna wake it up.
It's going to sound like an F1 car.
Wow.
Different stock too. So.
And the V12 is
Yep.
gonna scream. So yeah. So if you guys are in Central Texas, whether it's bringing your car to Anthony or something like this, where he comes to you, mobile mechanic job style, whether it's your exotic cars, European cars, would you say those are your bread and butter?
Yeah, those are bread and butter. Basically Audi, Lamborghini, Porsche, Volkswagen, McLarens. Those are bread and butters. But Benz, BMW, all that stuff, don't mind either.
Yeah, okay. So he also has a lot of experience, having been master tech at Audi for over 10 years. So yeah, a bunch of experience. If you guys want work done, hit him up. So yeah, I'm just going to walk around, show you guys some stuff here because this is such a cool man cave. Let's start with the car he's working on. So this is a Lamborghini Aventador LP 700. Look at all the carbon little details, little mixture of Alcantara and carbon, and these white seats. I don't even know, is this a spec from the factory or is it just custom?
I pulled that dash out back in December of 2025, and the shop out here redid all the upholstery. I just did basically the labor for it to get the dash out.
Wow.
But that's a full custom.
Full custom.
Yeah, full
Wow.
custom.
So you say the dash, all the carbon, Alcantara, all custom. And then the seats, do they come white like that?
Nope, that's custom as well.
Custom too. Wow. Very, very nice. And with the Lamborghini Aventadors, you have your fighter jet, cockpit. But yeah, this is so cool. The white seats definitely give the black car a nice contrast. On some nice quick jacks. I think these are great because, pretty portable, pretty light, and you get your car up to do your maintenance work. Let's see. Obviously, bumpers off. But yeah, it's such a cool man cave. All little, just car memorabilia just scattered around. Little Texaco sign, little tractor. Old school logos and signs from gas stations. It's super cool. Your little beer. But check this out. This is actually a car piston. Pretty cool. Wow. I'm guessing over here we have quite a few photos, probably some of the owner's previous cars. They're super cool. Your lift, so a lot of car enthusiasts like to do something like this where you can have multiple cars in one parking space. If your ceiling height allows. So we have a first gen Dodge Viper sitting up there. And then a Porsche Cayenne, right? Macan. Over here seems like we have some stuff from Lamborghini. I believe some certs and stuff. Oh. Old school shell. Little this is what you used to have back in the day when you fill up gas. I don't know what period this is from, but definitely way before I was born.
Way before both of us were born.
Probably what, 50s, you think?
I would assume so.
This is like pristine condition. Wow. Little candy machine. This is so cool. Big old Texas flag. And look at the table. Even the table is so cool. We have a V8 block made into a table. And then just like this one too, we have a big tire that's made into a table. Little lamp made from some car parts, rotors, your piston. Very cool. Yeah, and just random parts laying around, you know, as the rear end of the car is taken apart and Anthony's working on it. Nice carbon fiber goodies. So that's a wrap. So all in all, I had a great time. Went to put a face to the name with one of my clients, Anthony. Again, if you guys need work done to your exotic cars, your European cars, KAE Autowerks, you can hit them up. The man cave, you know, it was a mobile job. So you went to the customer's house. The man cave itself was pretty amazing. A lot of cool stuff, cool car memorabilia. Definitely car guy's dream garage setup. So hope you guys like this simple video. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and catch you guys in the next one.